Alright guys, we're on the final here for Jake 120. We're going to go live. We are live. 1:20 p.m. 1:20 p.m. Grab a list here, 20 spots. 20 spots, top spot picks one. Drop it in. 20 entries, John in the bottom, Alan Holtz up top. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 11's good, here we go. 11 times. Top spot wins, good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 times. Dice is an 11. Next click, top spot. 11. Congrats, John J. Spot 7. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and pick out your bobble. We're going to say we're done at 121 here. It's going to click over. Done. We'll go back. We'll type done. We are done. 121, 121, and timestamp and verification.